Baba niya, yung ilong niya, niregalo ko yun sa kanya lahat para sa Pasko. Tapos ako ano? Heartache?
Mula nung nawala si Joanne, nawala na din yung magaling na DJ na nakilala ko.
Two hearts broken.
We have a show. May trabaho tayo, di ba?
Matagal nang wala si Joanne. Iniwan ka na niya.
Don't you ever mention Joanne again.
Haunted by the ghosts of their pasts.
Tama lang na iniwang ka ng boyfriend mo dahil selfish ka.
Sino yung DJ na yan? Ha? Nakakapikon yan ah.
Ikaw na lang yata yung DJ na hindi nakikita ng tao kung ano itsura eh.
Hindi pwede malaman ng tao na ako si DJ Jojo.
One chance would bring them together.
Miss, ano yun? Bigla ako na-curious sa kanya. Alam mo yung may mga nami-meet ka, tapos parang may iba lang.
Kung nakatakdang magkikita kayo, magkikita ulit kayo.
Who are you to say na mali ang mga advice ko?
Isang taong mas magaling nang mag-advise kaysa sa'yo.
O di sige, ikaw na dito. Ikaw na magbigay ng advice.
I saw some potential in you. We are planning to do a show and I want you to host it. So, Wanda, are you willing to take my offer?
I think you should take it.
But their different lives would threaten to tear them apart.
Joseph, this is Wanda. Si Miss Wonderful. Wanda, this is Joseph, si DJ Jojo.
Ikaw si DJ Jojo?
No, Miss D. This must be some mistake.
Nalilito ako sa inyo. Magkakilala ba kayo o hindi?
I know her, but I don't know her.
Hindi na kayo bagay as co-host. Mas bagay kayo bilang potential lovers. From now on, I want you to pretend that you like each other.
What?
Sa ating ikatlong kwento mula sa puso, real-life couple Khalil Ramos and Gabby Garcia. In a 3-week limited screening of their first series together. Hanggang palabas na lang ba ang kanilang samahan?
I've never met someone like you, Wanda.
At magawa ba nilang muling magmahal?
You will never be Joanne, Wanda. You're not nearly as good as her. Hindi bigyan mo lang ako ng chance. Gusto ko naligawan. Sobrang saya ko nung araw na yon. I wished that day never ended. I've grown feelings for you already.
Sa kabila ng sakit na dulot ng nakaraan.
Sorry.
Stories from the Heart presents Love on Air. Premieres this Monday, 3:25 p.m. on GMA Afternoon Prime.